Hello guys, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Daily. So in this video, we are going to talk step by step, how to claim your CEX, how to claim your point to CEX. So the main thing here, how to claim your CEX point talking to the exchange is not like harder than people are thinking. So it is as simple as you can see. So we can go to our claim procedure when the forces are start. We are going to do it like very well, like easiest way. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So let's go together. So I will enter your website like this. Here is the interface. So we have an option like which is home, Solana OG, dashboard, exchange. So all this one, you don't need to pick all this one. It is like you need to come and this TG dashboard, which is Telegram dashboard. So if you are participating in Telegram dashboard, so you have to click on this section. So if you are Solana OG, like you didn't play for a Telegram mini app. So you have to come for Solana OG, which is like you have to connect a wallet and claim your token successfully without wasting time. So for me, I have playing a Telegram mini app. So unfortunately for the Solana OG, I didn't get the reward. So let's go at it. So as you can see here is like all my record in Telegram mini app. Here is all my achievement that I've been playing for the Telegram mini app. I've got it like 505 point slash some point added to here. So and I get Dolphin badge. So here I have 130 I have 140 W4. So here is the complete like my achievement in Telegram mini app. So let's click on next. So here as you can see, when the claiming has been started, like you have to come and click on this icon claim. So when you click on claim, you are going to see the exact extent that they are willing to start claiming with this extent. So claiming is not really too hard that people are thinking. Claiming is like as simple as unsiphon water. Like it is what hard thing that to like pressure yourself. So here that's it. So let's go and click on this extent so that we may see what is happening. So this extent it is for a people that makes butcher for false. So this trade is going to be like live after then the TGE of false. So they are going to give them like the one who minted the voucher opportunity to or mint back their voucher to be token so that they can trade it to any preferred extent that they want to use it. So here that's it. So let's go and see what can happen in their X account so that we may see something regarding this update. So as you can see here is the official X account, which is Paws CEX account, which is Post Lab. Uh, the handle it is Godpo. So let's scroll down. So they have announced it like 8 hours ago. So unfortunately, at that time, like I have been busy. That why I didn't like post the video uh like in a time. So here is the first claim to CX start tomorrow. So here is the detail below. So information regarding the claiming here it is, as you can see, like they make it clear. So the token won't be received immediate after deposit into your account by March 18. So if you want to claim your funds on chain to Solana wallet, that option will be available soon. So question and fact, so you can go and check for this one. So for further information or for more information that you can view for you to understand it better. So here that's it. So anybody that participated like in any airdrop or any other project, you know that when the project are saying this is the last first in this trade. So so that's mean that the project has been already been ended. So that's it. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video currently.